think you're ready to be rich? Are you ready to be a millionaire? In this video, I'm gonna give you some reasons why you're not. Then I'm gonna tell you what you can do to even begin to be ready. So let's get into it. How many of us, if we were to receive, I don't know, like $5 million, would know what to do with it, what to do with our lives, and how to make it grow? If your answer to any of the three of those questions was, I don't know, then you're not ready to be rich. You and that $5 million will soon be parted. For many of us, when we think of life-changing money, the first place our mind goes is how it's gonna make our life better or easier.
Yes, I'm rich now, so I can finally afford. Yes, I'm rich now, so I can finally pay off. Yes, I'm rich now, so I can finally stop worrying.
Unfortunately, that mindset is very short-sighted and just a symptom of middle-class thinking. Actually, it's thinking and thought process that brings me to my first reason why you're not ready to be rich. Your thoughts toward and relationship with money are actually tuned to a middle-class frequency. Did you know that you have a relationship with money? Not that you caress it at night, take it out to dinner, or Netflix and chill with it. No, your relationship with money is actually based more on your concept of it and how you interact with it. It's based on how you perceive it. Ultimately, your relationship with money is predicated on the purposes you believe it fulfills in your life. So if you see money only as a means to an end, it can get you things, pay your bills, then that's all it will be to you and for you. Rich and wealthy people are rich and wealthy because of their healthy relationship with money. Their mindset is not like the middle class or the poor, and they interact with money differently than most people. Here's a few comparative examples to illustrate the difference between a wealthy and middle class mindset. Middle class says, I work and earn money. Rich says, I put my money to work and it earns me money. Middle class says, I get paid for what I do and the time I put in. Rich says, I make money on my ideas and what I know. Middle class says, I can't afford that. Rich says, how can I afford that? What you saw there wasn't a difference in opinion. It's actually a difference in point of view. Your mindset is literally the fundamental reason as to why you're not ready to be rich. So how do we start to change our mindset to develop a better relationship with money? First things first, start reading. These books literally changed my whole entire view of money. And don't just read them, take them in, absorb them, meditate on them. Whatever it is you have to do to get the principles talked about in these books into your being, do it. Number 2, start thinking of money as a means to achieve a level of freedom that you and your loved ones deserve for years to come. Not just as a method to get out of debt, buy all that drip, and drive fancy cars. And finally, start following and subscribe to MoneyTube, the channel where we talk about wealth building strategies, debunk popular myths about money and finance, and help you develop the mindset you need to see real financial change in your life. And thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. We'd love to get back to you.